This is one of my, or probably my most favourite trail to come and ride the bikes out, because it's fairly deserted, but it is such a challenging ride to get up here. Now, where I've never gone is down this trail here, which is why I bought the Giant out. For one, it has suspension. All right, let's go. Now, I've got no idea where this path goes, because as I say, I've never actually ridden it before, and I don't know what quality the track is even in. But I would imagine it's particularly slick, so now, mostly today, I would like to avoid the puddles. Oh, now this is disappointing. Oh, dear. Oh, well. We're not 100 metres down the track, and already I'm having to navigate fallen trees. Oh. Well, hopefully it's not too much more like that. I tend to avoid this kind of heavy bush in the summertime, just because of the risk of snakes, and this is definitely snake territory. But it's a little bit cold in the season yet for old Snakey. No motorbikes, no push bikes. Oh no. Oh, however will I get a bike past here? Good Lord. We picked up a twig. Now, my hope is that this path joins up with the main road again, and I can just carry on down. What have I picked up now? Another stick? There is no way known I'd take any form of my motorised bikes down here. Aside from the fact that I don't think they'd make it up this kind of incline. It's so narrow and so wet. I seriously hope I don't slip off the path, because that's going to be a bad day. because look down there, that's a long way to fall. Too much torque. Oh my God. Pedal too hard and you get wheel spin. I have said about this bike that I've not come across a hill I've had to pedal up. I mean, I've had to walk up. I thought that might have been close. Oh. All right, there's a literal river running down the footpath here. This is where the wide beach cruiser seat shows its limitations, because where you'd normally want to grip the seat a little bit, you can't. Oh, yeah. And of course, I left my drink in the car. I tell you what I didn't account for is how sore my fucking hands are getting riding the brakes all the way down. Oh no, man. Get fucked. I've said I've never had a hill I have to walk up. This is definitely a hill I'm walking down. No, do you know what? My spidey sense is tingling, boys and girls. This is not following the path I was hoping it would. So, it's time for me to listen to my gut and quit. I'm happy to admit defeat. By that track, no. All right, this comes down to limitations of the rider. I am not fit enough for a trail like this. Leave it to the pros. Well, if there was a hill to defeat me, I'm glad it's one that looks like this. Whew. I don't know what the mountain bike equivalent of tiptoeing is, but this is it. Oh my God. This road is so slick that it feels like that at any second my front wheel's going to take a dive off the edge. I'm sweating as much from concentration as I am from exertion. I honestly cannot begin to describe how loose and slippery this path is. And how grateful I am that I've got such an impressive e-bike. I can tell you right now how grateful I am that I had the foresight to drive up here today. Oh. I'll be honest, I thought I was going to get a lot more riding done, but that bloody track just took it out of me and I am exhausted. So yeah, okay, it wasn't a particularly exciting ride, not like I thought it was going to be, but I just don't have the energy to keep going today. But maybe another time, yeah?